Business team productivity and satisfaction depend on many factors, and a well-designed office is one of them. Office renovation can feel like a huge challenge, expensive, messy, and time-consuming, but not with Bodoc. Bodoc interior film lets you refresh your entire space with almost no business interruption, minimal cost, and fast installation. In just a few days, or about a week, you can transform walls, doors, furniture, cabinets, front desks, and more. No demolition, no dust, no stopping the workday. It's faster, easier, and more affordable than traditional renovation. Plus, it's durable, Class A fire rated, waterproof, and available in over 450 stylish finishes from wood and marble to leather and metal. Studies show that well-designed workspaces can boost productivity by up to 20% and significantly improve employee satisfaction and focus. Just take a look at how we transform these spaces.